Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. And here's the reason why. I've been talking a lot about Bitcoin lately. I've been talking a lot about Ethereum lately, and those are two projects you absolutely need to buy because those are essentially the king and queen of crypto, and you need them in your holdings. Let's say you've done that, and you've been doing that, and you're picking up some bags there. You got to figure out what else you need to fill it. Well, one option, and it's a small option. I don't want you putting it all in there, but you might want some exposure to Shiba Inu. And here's a couple reasons why. Lately, there's been some bearish stories trying to get some people to sell their Shiba Inu bags, but I'm going to go over exactly what you need to be thinking given some of the latest news and the current market conditions. Without further ado, let's hop into the markets. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Market cap coming in at $1.218 trillion. So Bitcoin's sitting there still, right around 29, which is great. You know, we're floating around 30,000. Ethereum, not doing as good, getting to 1,700. But again, these markets are in a downturn, and the regular markets are certainly in a downturn. When I say regular markets, I'm talking about the S&P 500, Nvidia, Tesla, you name it. Anything it might be, triple Qs, it's down. So keep that in mind. Now, looking at Shiba Inu is also down, and we are currently sitting on number 16. So we got 4 zeros and a 1. Might get 5 zeros here. I think we did for a flash earlier this week. But it's very possible to get 5 zeros coming up in front of this 1. And over the last 7 days, though, you're seeing it's up 0.3%. And you compare that to some of these other projects, and it's doing all right. It's doing all right. Some are up, some are down. Now, why isn't it doing better right now? Well, Bitcoin's going down, and then B. Here was the article. So Shiba Inu's anonymous developer Ryoshi quits the crypto world. So they are anonymous, kind of like Satoshi Nakamoto, which, in my mind is bullish. And then they quit the crypto world, and it takes Shiba Inu down 4%. They actually he or she deleted all of their tweets, and in a Medium post, they announced that they were departing from the crypto world. Wow. So at a glance, that could look bearish. And then you think about it, and that's what Satoshi Nakamoto did, which is beautiful. You need some anonymity. You'd rather have that. Now, there's some concerns about the burning mechanism. I think it's a little bit of FUD, if you ask me. But I think this is a good move for Shiba Inu. And if you consider it bearish and the market considers it bearish, well, then that gives you a buying opportunity. This is what I'm talking about. Shiba Inu founder signals a Satoshi-like exit by erasing his tweets, which would be good. They saying it's suspicious. They're saying, that they did delete every post from, well, basically, anything to do with cryptocurrency for this guy. So I think it's a smart move. I really think it's a good. So the last post on Twitter from him was in May of 2021. So he stopped a year ago, and now recently he actually, or she, deleted all their tweets and posts. So unbelievable. Good time for it to happen, I think, because the markets are dying and dead, and it's not really going to cause any more panic selling than's already happening. Anybody who's going to panic sell already panic sold. So if it dips a little bit, that's a good time to buy. Here's another thing you got to keep in mind for Shiba Inu. They've got a new metaverse project. They've had it for a while. They've got 100,000 plots of land that you could buy in the Shiba Inu metaverse. Keep that in mind, guys. So here you go, 100,000 plots of land. They're going to use the Shiba tokens to integrate with the real estate and the games and the passive income opportunities in this. So this is coming down the road. So look at this, check that out. And also, Shiba Swap is big. You can vote with your bone tokens. With your Shiba Inu to receive bone tokens. You can stake it. You can stake in an SSLP and claim returns. You can also do a swap. You can dig to provide liquidity, so you can provide liquidity in a simple, providing liquidity between two assets, kind of like a Uniswap type deal. So these are things that you can do. And this is on Shiba Swap. So this is the DeFi project on Shiba Inu, which is awesome. So very simple website here, very simple system. And this is, an interesting project. So this is going to give, and they've got a total value locked up of $39 million. And let's take a peek at DeFi Llama real quick. So $35 million is how much Shiba Inu has locked up. Let's look at the other chains and see. This is a good little exercise for you guys to see. That's how I get to DeFi Llama, which shows you the total value locked up in some of these other projects. So if Shiba Inu's got, I think I said like 37 million. Well, look at these guys. The number 29 is Cardano. Cardano's got 129. So it's not that far behind Cardano, and Cardano's huge. So keep that in mind. And if it catches up, well, then that could bring a lot more investing and a lot more investors in to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. I'm going to see if I could find it in. I'm not even seeing it in this list. It's interesting. They don't have it in DeFi Llama, but they've got, 37 million or whatever locked up in to Shiba Inu. So that's something to keep in mind. With that news, I think that Shiba Inu could have a meteoric rise when the markets turn up. You got to keep it in mind. You got to keep that in your back pocket as something for some extra cash during these low prices, because it could give you those high gains that you're chasing. Remember, you got to have Bitcoin, you got to have Ethereum. Pick the winners, and then pick the ones that you think, might moon a little bit and that are decently safe. I mean, I would argue that Shiba Inu is pretty safe. I think it's well established, right? I like they've gotten an anonymous leader. I think it's very established, similar to Dogecoin, which is also safe in my book. It's a top 20 coin. That's all I got here today. I'm Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, hodl, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.